as long as the outbreak continues to rage in the 3 countries in West Africa, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea, this is still going to be a danger, not just for America, but for the entire world. We are nowhere near out of the woods yet in West Africa. The good news is in parts of Liberia, our efforts, both civilian and military, are really paying dividends, and we are seeing the curve bending so that we are on track with diligence, dealing with the hot spots that may still reemerge, to actually get a handle on that disease. We're still seeing an increase of cases in Sierra Leone, although our British counterparts are doing an excellent job working with us and the international community to coordinate the situation there. In Guinea, the numbers are lower than in Sierra Leone or Liberia, but they're often in very remote areas that are hard to reach, and some of the international coordination still needs to improve.
Secretary Kerry has spoken to Prime Minister Netanyahu. President Abbas has.
The bottom line, though, is that we know how to treat this disease, given that it has emerged as such a large, significant outbreak in these areas. And we recently saw some cases in Mali. It underscores how important it is to continue to push forward until we stamp out this disease entirely in that region. Until we do, there are threats of additional outbreaks, and given the nature of international travel, it means that everybody has some measure of risk.
Our efforts to identify, isolate, and then treat Ebola patients can work.
Although we should feel optimistic about our capacity to solve the Ebola crisis, we cannot be complacent simply because the news attention on it has waned. We have to stay with it, and that's why I'm calling Congress to make sure that it approves before it leaves the emergency funding request that we put forward to respond to Ebola both domestically and internationally.
So this gives us an opportunity to start putting in place the kind of public health, the health and safety of the American people, and so I hope that Congress is on the case on this issue before they leave. All right? Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.